In this video, we're going to set up conversion tracking for a specific URL structure. So for example, if you fill out a web form on your website and the URL switches to thank-u or something similar, you'll be able to track your web form submissions. So first you want to go to tagmanager.google.com. You will go to the tags section and click on new. Click on edit. Click on Google Analytics. Click on GA4 event. Type in your measurement ID here. That is the same ID that is in your GA4 base code. Enter your event name. So for myself, I'm going to put web forms because that is the page I'll track. Type your tag name as GA4 event web forms or whatever it is that you're tracking. Click edit on the trigger. Click on plus. Click on edit. Click on page view. Click some page views. Change it to page URL contains whatever part of the URL you want to track. So for myself, it will be thank-u. I'll name the trigger thank you pages. Click save. Click save. Click submit. Name your changes. Click publish. And now you're all set tracking that page.